Chapter 6: Our Wealth. The uppermost layer of the earth is the soil. Without soil, most life on earth could not survive. Soil provides a place for plants to grow. It also provides a home for many animals like ants, beetles, rabbits, moles, etc. Formation of soil. Soil is formed from rocks by a process called weathering. Weathering is a process of breaking down of rocks or other materials into smaller particles by the action of water, wind, sun, etc. Due to cooling, heating, and drying, the rocks crack and break up into small pieces to form soil. The process of soil formation is a slow, long, and continuous process. The process of weathering took millions of years to form soil. Types of soil. In different regions, the soil may be sandy, clayey, or loamy, depending upon the constituents. Sandy soil consists of big sand particles. It is dry and light. It does not hold much water. Clayey soil is composed of very fine particles. It is sticky in nature and can hold a lot of water. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold air and water. It contains humus. Soil erosion. The carrying away of the topsoil by wind and water is called soil erosion. Erosion makes fertile lands barren. As we already know that the top layer of soil is rich in humus. When the humus-rich soil is either blown away by strong winds or washed away by swift currents of water year after year, the soil loses its precious minerals. Farmers cannot grow anything on the arid land, and they reap poor harvest. We should therefore know the agents responsible for soil erosion and try to stop or control their actions. Running water causes of soil erosion. Heavy rains cause floods. Flooded rivers and running water remove the topsoil. Running water washes the soil of the hill slopes. This makes the slopes unfit for cultivation. The Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh is one such example. Wind. The top layer of the soil can be easily blown away by strong gust of breeze or wind. Continuous removal of topsoil by wind, especially where there are no plants to hold the soil, results in the less fertile subsoil coming to the surface. Human beings also cause soil erosion. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees in large numbers. Man has cleared large areas of forest for his requirement of wood, living space, etc. When man leaves the animals to graze on the same piece of land year after year, the land becomes bare. This leads to soil erosions. Soil conservation. Soil conservation means protecting the soil from erosion. Let us see the ways in which soil conservation can be done. Stopping overgrazing, as overgrazing causes loosening of the soil. Thus, if we stop it, soil erosion can be prevented. After the crops are harvested, the fields are usually left bare by the farmers. This is the time when the soil is most prone to erosion. Terrace farming. If hillsides are converted into step slopes, they are not so much eroded. These steps slow down gushing waters. The soil washed away from one's higher step gets deposited on another, lower step. Afforestation or growing trees is another effective method of soil conservation. The roots of plants bind the soil particles together and prevent them from getting eroded. Constructing dams flood is the main factor of soil erosion. It can be solved to a great extent by constructing embankments along the river banks. This helps to hold the water between the banks and prevents the soil erosion. It also checks overflowing of water, which in turn protects property and people. Dams also check and control the flow of water to a large extent.